My video guide will help you to get rid of the adware, which is called AnalyzerSystem. So, AnalyzerSystem is a special adware that specifically targets Mac computers, and it may inject its roots into Mac browsers such as Safari, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other browsers. AnalyzerSystem adware is from the AdLoad malware family. Once installed, this adware starts displaying the great portion of pretty intrusive advertisements which are not related to the sites that you visit. Often these ads are placed on top of other content which prevents you from properly perceiving this content. AnalyzerSystem adware also may redirect your search queries through random websites, and finally it may permanently spy on your browsing activities. If you have discovered this AnalyzerSystem program to be the part of your Mac computer, you should urgently undertake the measures and get rid of this AnalyzerSystem. So go to your Finder, check your applications, find this program and move it to the trash. Finally, I recommend that you additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could still remain on your computer. Click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program will update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program begins researching and investigating your system. The software is initially in the trial mode, but even the trial mode has got several free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. So then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scan you'll see the summary of threats. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your Mac computer always free of any other threats.